Hello guys, here we have a ZTE Blade A71, and today I will show you how you can customize and rearrange your home screen on this device. So we will start from the widgets. If you want to add a widget to your home screen, just hold the finger on the empty place and choose Add a Widget. Now look for the widget that you want to install and hold it again. Now just drop it into your home screen. To resize it, just hold your finger again, and use that edges to change the size of your widgets. Sadly, I cannot do it on this widget. If you want to remove it, just hold your finger again and click delete. The next way is making a folders. If you want to make a folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. To change the name of your folder, click here and choose your new name. If you want to add more apps, click here. If you want to remove the folder, just take off all of apps inside this folder. If you want to change this transition of your home screen, just hold your finger again and choose Effect. Now you can choose your new transition effect. If you want to change the icon layout, just hold your finger again and go to the settings. Now click here and choose your new icon layout. As you can see, now we have 5 icons in a row. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.